7-inch portable device from Binize, detailed wire harness introduction, cigarette lighter connection wire, plug and play. Easy peasy to be powered up. Have to note that the voltage should be between from 12 to 14. As you can see, it's powered up. The right back side USB port is for CarPlay. Please note that highly recommends to use the original iPhone data cable. As you can see, it's CarPlay now. Right back side USB port for Android Auto. That highly recommends to use the original Android phone data cable. As you can see, it's Android Auto now. External USB wire for reading and charging. Phone charging function. Just need a casual USB cable. Then you will get it charged. USB flash drive reading function, which supports lossless music playing, high-definition resolution video enjoyment. 2 RCA jacks for additional requirements from subwoofer or amplifier. The white is audio out left, the red is audio out right. Thanks for watching. We are Binize.